are still on solution of equation. Today we still want to solve some problems, some equation that contains what? Fraction. For example 1. Solve 3 over 2x plus 1 over 6x is equals to 2 over 3. First step here, we want to clear the what? The fraction. Now to clear the fraction, we first find the LCM of 2x, 6x, and 3. Solution. 3 over 2x plus 1 over 6x is equals to 2 over 3. Now let's find the LCM of 2x, 6x, and 3. 2x, 6x, 3. First, we have to use 2 to divide. 2 divide this will give you only x. 2 divide this will give you 3x. 2 divide this cannot. Bring down your 3. What will go now is what? 3. 3 divide this, you have x. 3 divide this will give you what? X. 3 divide this will give you 1. So x now, x will divide. X divide x 1. X divide x 1. Bring down your what? 1. So the LCM of 2x, 6x, and 3 is 2 times 3 times x. 2 times 3 will give you what? 6. 6 times x will give you what? 6x. So the LCM is what? 6x. The LCM of 2x, 6x, and 3 is what? 6x. Now multiply both sides by what? By 6x. Multiply both sides by what? 6x. You have 6x bracket 3 over 2x plus 6x bracket 1 over 6x is equals to 6x bracket 2 over 3.
Okay.
So 2 cancel itself 1. Cancel this, you have what? 3. X cancel itself 1. Cancel this, you have 1. 6 cancel itself 1. X cancel itself 1. Cancel this 1. 3 cancel itself 1. 3 cancel 6x will give you 2x. Now you are left with 3 bracket 3 plus 1 is equals to 2s bracket 2. Now open the bracket, you have 3 times 3 plus 1 is equals to 2x times 2. 3 times 3 will give you 9 plus 1 is equals to 2x times 2 will give you 4x. 9 plus 1 will give you 10 is equals to what? 4x. Now divide both sides by 4. That is the coefficient of the x. You have 10 over 4 is equals to 4x over 4. 2 divide this will give you 2. 2 divide 10 will give you what? 5. 4 divide itself 1. 4 divide this will give you what? X. You are left with x. So now what we have now will be 5 over 2 is equals to what? X. 2 divide 5 now will give you have 2 whole number 1 over 2 is equals to what? X. So therefore x now is equals to what? 2 two whole number 1 over what? 2. So we have come to the end of this equation containing what?
Fractions.
It's already a walk done.
So our next topic today is word problem. Students, sometimes you may be asked to solve some problems given in words. Now, to solve such problem, there are some steps you have to do what follow. Now, let's write out the steps we will follow in solving word problem. The first step is what? Choose a letter. Choose a letter for the unknown. You have to choose a letter for the unknown. The letter to represent the word, the unknown. Number 2, write the information. Write the information of the question in algebraic form. Number 2, you make a question, make an equation. Then number 3, excuse me, this is number 3 and here is number 4. Number 4, give the answer in written form. And then the last is to check your words, check your answer. Well, let's solve one example. Example 1. I add 45 to a certain number and then divide the sum by 2. The result is 5 times the original number. Find the original number. Now we say our first step is to choose a letter for the unknown. Now we have to choose a letter that will represent the original number, the number we don't know. Solution. Let the number, the original number, let the number be what? K. If the number is K, now we want to form algebraic what? The second step is to form what? Algebraic sentence from the word, the information. Now to do that, the second step, I add 45 to that certain number, the unknown number. Now I add 45 to what? To what? The K, which is the unknown. And that will give you K plus 45. Then the second one says, then divide the sum by what? 2. Divide the sum by 2. This will give you now K plus 45 over 2. Say the result. The result is 5 times the original number. You know the original number is what? K. That is 5 times what? K. The result is what? 5 times k.
K.
That is 5 what?
K.
K. Now we form equation with this algebraic sentence. That would be, the equation would be k plus 45 over 2 will give you what? 5k. Now we have formed an equation with the what? With the statement. Now we want to solve. First now, the first step here now is to clear the what? The fraction. So to clear the fraction, we multiply both by what? 2. So multiply both sides by what? 2. Now you have 2 bracket k plus 45 over what? 2 is equals to what? 2 bracket 5k. Now you know these two, we cancel these two. 2 cancel this one, cancel this one. So now you are left with k plus 45 is equals to what? 2 bracket 5k. All in, this one is all in brackets. Now I want to open these brackets. To open it, remove brackets. Remove brackets. If you remove it, we are going to have k plus 45 is equals to 2 times 5k. You know that 2 will multiply everything in this bracket. And you we have k plus 45 is equals to 2 times 5k will give you 10k.
Enough money.
Now we want to take this k to the other side. Now to do it, we have to eliminate this k from here. To eliminate this k, we do what? We subtract k both what side. Now subtract k from what? From
Both sides.
both sides. You have k plus 45 minus k is equals to what? 10k minus k. Now collect like terms. You have k minus k plus 45 is equals to 10k minus k. K minus k will give you what? 0. So you are left with what? 45 at the left hand side. You have 45. Now 10k minus k will give you 9k. Now we want to divide both sides by what? By 9. So to divide both sides by 9, why we are dividing both sides by 9? Because we are only looking for k, we are not looking for what? 9k. So you have 45 over 9 is equals to 9k over 9. Yeah. 9 divides F1, divide this will give you what? 5. 9 cancel F1, cancel this 1. So you have 5 is equals to what? K. Now the k, so therefore your k is what? 5. So the number you are looking for is what? K. The original number, the number is what? K. The number is what? 5, not k. The original number is what? 5.
Okay.
So the second example.
Well, continue.
Example 2. A rectangle.
Hello?
A rectangle is 10 meter long.
Good afternoon. Mr. Ngozi.
And hello.
Hey, I'm so busy. I went to him
Each
side.
perimeter is 26 meters.
Sorry, I enter over
Find
the
the breadth
I left the alpha since.
of
Where are you?
the rectangle. Solution.
Into junction. That's fine now.
Now first we first draw
into now.
the rectangle. Now to draw it, this is the shape of what? Rectangle. I said the length. The length is this side,
When you get there, now you just rush me.
10 meter, and here is also 10 meter. You know that the opposite sides are what?
A4.
Now we say let us use B to represent the what? The breadth. You have what? B meter and B here meter. Now we want to use B to represent the unknown, which is the breadth. Let the breadth of the rectangle be what? BM. I said that the perimeter is what? 26 meters. You know the formula for perimeter of what? Rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle is this. You have L plus B plus L plus what? B. And that will give you 2 times what? L plus what? B. You know that this L is the length and Y B is the what? Breadth. So we have, you know that your L is what? Your L is what? 10. And then your breadth is what? B. And that will give you what? 26. That is the perimeter. Length plus this will give you what? The perimeter is what? 26. Now let's open this bracket. That is to remove it. Remove the what? Remove the bracket. To remove it, you have, you know that these two now will multiply everything in this bracket. You have 2 times 10 plus what? 2 times B. That will be what? 26. 2 times 10 will give you 20 plus 2 times B is what? 2B. And that will be what? 26. Now we want to what? Eliminate this 20. To eliminate this 20, you subtract 20 from what? Both sides. Subtract 20 from both. You have 20 plus 2b minus 20 is equals to what? 26 minus 20. Now collect like terms. You have what? 20 minus 20 plus 2b will give you 26 minus 20. Now 20 minus 20 will give you what? 0. So at the left hand side you have only what? 2b. Now 26 minus 20 will give you what? 6. Now divide both by the coefficient of what? Divide both sides by what? 2, which is the coefficient of this b. 2b divided by 2 is equal to 6 divided by what? 2. 2 will cancel itself and cancel this, you have b. And then 2 will cancel this and cancel this, you have 3. So the b is what? 3. That is the length, the breadth of the breadth is what? 3 meters. Breadth is 3 meters. Now let's check if our solution is true or false. Check. Take, you know that the perimeter is what? L plus B plus L plus B is equals to what? 26. So we have what? Our L is what? 10 plus what? Our breadth is what? 3 plus what? 10 plus what? 3. So let's add this. When you add this, you have what? 26. So 26 is what to what? 26. At the left hand side, you have 26. At the right hand side, you have what? 26. So the solution is what? True.